Hello, Stevie here. Take 3. I guess I just have been without internet so long, or reliable internet, that I've had to start this a few times to get it right. But here are my shops that I try and make a living with. And here is junk journaling and collage shops. And my bookshop that has a lot of junk journal type books in it and pictures that are great for junk journals. Here's my original vintage shop that has a lot of gift type things, or movie props even. So, and everything's for people who need supplies. I took the kit that I had printed out, the skeleton kit, and I had printed it out on a really light, even lighter than regular copy paper. It's pretty thin paper. And I did it with my ink as draft, so it could be even brighter, I guess, if you used more ink. And you can kind of see that well, maybe you can't. Well, there's a few lines there. That might be because of, yeah, it's because the ink wasn't in this one. You can kind of see it. But I don't think that it distracts from it at all. I put these on some stiffer board ledger type. So there's places to write, because these are cards from the kit. And then instead of putting them on cardstock, I decided to grab this brown bag and glue the thin paper with my glue stick, just cheap stuff. And these are the 3 tools that I used besides the paper, the kit, and the bag, and the 1 ledger paper. But now I've glued it down. I did not cut it out and then try and glue right up to the edge. Instead, and it didn't work completely. My idea was that if I didn't glue or didn't cut all around the edge completely, then I would be able to glue down the edge all the way easier or better. And then after it's dried, I'll go and I'll cut these out along the edges, and then they can be inked or not, whichever you prefer. But these are, that's a Subway bag. No, I don't know where that comes from, but these are the kit, and the envelopes, and the tags, and the pockets, and some fun stuff. See, this one I think will be glued down after it dries. It's still a little bit wet. I wanted to get this video done so I can start loading it, because it takes so long to get anything loaded. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like, subscribe, and share my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!